Lesson 60. Let's speak English with Toto. Listen, write, read, and repeat. Hello, Bobby. How are you? Hello, Bobby. How are you? Hi, Elba. I am okay, thanks. And you? Hi, Elba. I am okay, thanks. And you? I am very good today. I am very good today. What makes today special? What makes today special? Because today is my birthday. Because today is my birthday. Wow, great. I am so glad for you, Elba. Wow, great. I am so glad for you, Elba. Thanks so much, Bobby. Thanks so much, Bobby. Elba, what are you planning? Elba, what are you planning? My parents will make a party for me. My parents will make a party for me. Will you come to my party? Will you come to my party? Of course, I will come. Of course, I will come. Elba, how old are you now? Elba, how old are you now? I am already 9 years old. I am already 9 years old. You are a big girl now. You are a big girl now. Yes, Bobby. Yes, Bobby. What time will your birthday party be? What time will your birthday party be? It will be at 5 o'clock. It will be at 5 o'clock. Will you invite your friends? Will you invite your friends? Yes, I have invited all my friends. Yes, I have invited all my friends. What will there be at your birthday party? What will there be at your birthday party? Everything, Bobby. Delicious food, sweets, drinks, music, dance, fireworks, and interesting games. Everything, Bobby. Delicious food, sweets, drinks, music, dance, fireworks, and interesting games. Wow, Elba, I was so excited. Wow, Elba, I was so excited. Me too, Bobby. Me too, Bobby. Okay, Elba, now I'll go home and get ready for your party. Okay, Elba, now I'll go home and get ready for your party. All right, Bobby. See you at the party. All right, Bobby. See you at the party. See you, Elba. See you, Elba. See you soon. Next lessons.